Welcome back to the channel, where luxury meets power and imagination meets the future of mobility. Today we're diving into something absolutely wild, the 2026 Lamborghini Armored Motorhome. This isn't just a motorhome, this is a rolling fortress wrapped in Italian supercar DNA, designed for those who want extreme performance, uncompromised luxury, and total security wherever the road leads. Let's start with the exterior, because this thing commands attention before it even moves. The design screams Lamborghini from every angle, with sharp geometric lines, aggressive edges, and a low, wide stance that looks more like a futuristic tank than a traditional motorhome. The body is built with reinforced armored panels seamlessly integrated into carbon fiber styling, finished with stealth-inspired paint options and signature Y-shaped LED lighting. Massive all-terrain wheels, high ground clearance, and aerodynamic vents give it that unmistakable Lamborghini attitude, while ensuring it's ready for deserts, mountains, or city streets alike. Step inside, and the contrast is breathtaking. The interior is pure luxury, crafted like a high-end supercar lounge on wheels. Premium leather, Alcantara, carbon fiber accents, and ambient lighting wrap around you in a futuristic cockpit-style layout. The living area features a smart modular design with a luxury bedroom, a fully equipped kitchen, and a high-tech lounge that transforms at the touch of a button. Now let's talk about what's under the hood, because Lamborghini never disappoints. The 2026 Armored Motorhome is powered by a high-performance hybrid V8 system, engineered to deliver brutal torque while maintaining efficiency for long journeys. Advanced all-wheel drive, adaptive suspension, and off-road driving modes ensure smooth handling whether you're cruising highways or conquering extreme terrain. When it comes to price, exclusivity is the name of the game. The 2026 Lamborghini Armored Motorhome is expected to start around $2.5 to $3 million, depending on customization and security upgrades. This isn't just a vehicle, it's a statement, a lifestyle, and a symbol of power and prestige for elite buyers who want something no one else has. Safety is where this motorhome truly separates itself from everything else on the market. Built with military-grade armor, bullet-resistant glass, reinforced doors, and advanced threat detection systems, it offers top-level protection in any environment. Features like 360-degree surveillance cameras, night vision, run-flat tires, fire suppression systems, and emergency escape protocols ensure maximum peace of mind for occupants at all times. To sum it all up, the 2026 Lamborghini Armored Motorhome redefines what a luxury RV can be. It blends supercar design, armored security, cutting-edge technology, and ultimate comfort into one unstoppable machine. This isn't about traveling from point A to point B. It's about doing it with power, confidence, and unmatched style. If you enjoyed this mind-blowing review, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss the most extreme vehicles on the planet. Drop your thoughts in the comments below. Would you take this armored Lamborghini motorhome on the open road? Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.